very prestigious scholarship of National University of Singapore, and this is called Commonwealth Scholarship. Commonwealth or those countries which are specified, not all countries, I will show. And the stipend is similar to National University of Singapore Research Scholarship, that is 2,000 per month for PhD and 1,500 for master. Let's see what are the actual criteria. The Commonwealth Scholarship, the approach is the same. You go to home page, go to prospective students, you can see here, go to graduate scholarship in Commonwealth. From here you see graduate scholarship. When you click scholarship, so you will reach to the main page. Basically the scholarship is the eligibility is you are must from Commonwealth countries. Now what is Commonwealth country? Let's to confirm this first. Commonwealth country means people from Africa, Asia and America, Europe and the Pacific. Let's see here, this is Africa, so Ghana, Kenya, and Asia, where Bangladesh, Brunei Darussalam, India, Malaysia, Maldives, Pakistan, Singapore, Sri Lanka. So you see Sri Lanka and all these countries. Singapore is also there, so means Singaporean also can apply, because you see here, you will see that for Singapore, national from any Commonwealth countries, except for Singapore citizen, Singapore citizen. Singaporean cannot apply. Yeah, Singaporean cannot apply because this is for Commonwealth, and we have to exclude the Singapore here. And this is for Europe, Cyprus, Malta, United Kingdom, and Pacific, Australia, and these countries are there, Tonga, etc. So this is South Africa, Uganda. Here you see. So this is from Caribbean and America. These are the countries. Okay, so Commonwealth countries, you can see your country here, and just you can apply here. You can see that the international students only, and 2,000 for PhD student and 1,500 for master. And if you have an additional 500 if you are a PhD student and pass that proper exam, you see here. And the award period is 2 years for master and 4 years for PhD candidates. It's a decent amount of money. And the good thing is this is a tuition fee at university. You see here, your tuition fee, you don't have to be worried about your tuition fee. This is only on your pocket money, right? So the master scholarship is for 2 years and PhD for 4 years. And there is the same procedures. You must need to be a student. Commonwealth Scholarship is awarded to outstanding graduate students from Commonwealth countries for research leading higher degree to university. You see, so this is means that you must need to have apply to Singapore University, National University of Singapore, and there is a place in the application form you have to select that I'm applying for Commonwealth Scholarship because you are from Commonwealth country, right? So this is how you apply for National University of Singapore Commonwealth Scholarship. It is one of prestigious scholarship. The same procedure, go to home, go to prospective students. Prospective students mean future students, and you must need to find your potential supervisor, how to write an email, and how to make a good CV, a professional CV and cover letter, and all those kind of stuff. So once you get offer letter, so then you need to fill the application form, and if you are already graduate, so you can directly apply to this scholarship, very prestigious scholarship, good scholarship. So okay, please do not ask people there how I can find scholarship and how I can get admission. You just need to study by yourself. You must need to go one by one. It is very, very important. Instead of watching Facebook or TikTok or those kind of stuff, you must need to waste some time reading this stuff. At least give 1 hour for 24 hours to get your scholarship in good admission in good place. National University of Singapore is one of the prestigious university. It is under 20 in world ranking. So you must need to apply to this scholarship. So your future will be bright. Thanks for watching.